trail by ourselves. Y'all believe that?
It won't last long.
Yeah, it is really packed. There are people everywhere. I know right now you don't see any, but I'm gonna tell you, the parking lot and across from the parking lot is packed. So we're gonna make the best of it. Y'all, we're not
Acclimated to 6,000 something hiking uphill.
oh yeah.
But I have to confess, are we recording now?
Uh-huh.
I have to confess, our vacation this summer has not included the hikes that we normally do because of the weather and the locations and the traveling. It just wasn't there.
And you can't really hike in bear country.
Well, if you walk, they're coming out of the bushes everywhere you go. I don't take my chances about it.
Exactly. We want to live a little longer.
I don't want to push my luck.
I mean, even when we were in Haynes, when you were walking out to the fish weir, you had to watch out.
You had to watch out because they said the bears come right out of the woods, headed for the river.
And you have to walk that way to get to the weir.
And when there's bear scat everywhere, you got to pay attention.
Exactly.
So I don't know. There's no signs to tell you.
Exactly.
Is this the trail or is that the trail? There's no signs to really tell you.
I have no idea.
I don't either.
But this was a straight up the hill hike, I can tell you that. Woo!
I think this is the real trail. That's a ways.
How far is it?
That's a
2.9.
It's a mile.
Wow.
And it's uphill. I don't know if I can do it or not. Sides already hurt.
Look at the view, y'all.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
I'm in better condition when we've been hiking more.
What was the name of the lake down below that we seen a while ago? Peyto.
Peyto.
Peyto, I think. Yeah, that was beautiful.
And
Bow
Lake is further south of us here. We were going to stop there, but there was just too many people. There's no parking. I just can't park my truck anywhere.
Yeah, we got a big Dodge, y'all.
So the summit's roughly 2.9 kilometers. So that round that to 3, that's a mile and a half at least.
Wow.
I think I'll pass on that one.
Yeah, especially if it goes uphill. We're going back down the mountain, I think. You gonna go that way?
Yeah, just a loop.
Okay. All right, y'all, here we go. It's Sunday afternoon, y'all. But we wanted to get out and do something. Y'all, the forest smells so good, though. Oh, my gosh.
It smells like butterscotch.
It smells so good.
Really good. There's no smoke.
Yeah, from having campfires.
Yeah, campfire.
Not forest fires.
No. There's a little haze in the air, but not real bad.
Yeah, this is a gorgeous walk.
Beautiful forest.
Yes, it is. Look how green it is. Oh, some of the leaves are starting to turn. Very nice. Okay, y'all, we did that loop right there.
And it was another 1.5 miles up this incline to get up to the summit.
To the summit of the Bow Lake.
Yeah, the Bow Summit's meadows and you can see them all down there, but we're just not in shape to do that. Sorry.
Yeah.
My side started hurting on that last pull. There's some pulls here. So I said, I don't want to start cramping up.
All right, y'all.
We're going to ease down. Man.
So what you got to say?
Well, you know, uh-oh. Sorry about that. Radio was on, it came in. I just think that that was a pretty tough little trail.
For
that 1/2 mile.
That first half of it is uphill.
But we did over 1 mile because we did that loop.
Right.
We couldn't do the part to the summit because it was
for the Bow Lake summit.
It was 1.5 miles.
Yeah.
And it was like an incline. We're just not in shape for it, guys. I mean, you gotta kind of be in shape for some of these tough trails like that. So it said it wasn't too bad out to the. They called it easy.
Yes.
But I would call it, I would call it probably a level 2. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sure.
I think 5 is the most strenuous and dangerous. 4 is pretty tough. 3 is good. 2, okay. That was about a 2.
1 is a stroll.
1's a stroll.
And we haven't seen very many strolls here.
No, it was paved. I had to take.
It was.
It was paved, and the, it wasn't wide enough to walk. The people coming up were trying to walk side by side, but it's only good for 2 people. So the people coming up are kind of pushing you off the trail because they're doing this number to get up the trail. So anyway, it's all what it is.